neighborhood.做上饭了。这个 local clinic。小号。Municipal Theater 就是市的剧场歌剧院。这是一个 art museum。进去，还有，看进去。这市政厅 City Hall。
这个 AI 上去，这个。发现啊，过来。要排队。Good morning, good morning.
2024.
It's basically the focus of that. It shows this very well. For example, we in the so what?
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
This mark in the Olympics. The Olympics originally were a religious ceremony in Romania for her. Each put the position of each one of these stars. Below the paints. No, the Proclamation of Republic. There. Again, these paints are very glorified, and this is basically the most of them. Because here is that paint is the Proclamation of Republic, including we can see the the first Brazilian president, Manuel Peixoto, sitting on a green and yellow horse. We don't have green and yellow horses at a time. I rarely see one today. Imagine it at a time. And behind him, in the skies, we have Marianne. Yeah, she is here again. And if you look closer, you can see that she has holding the Brazilian flag in the shape of Brazilian territory. So the Manuel Peixoto and his gang also have the visit of a Nigerian king. I'm not joking, that happened. And after that, we interns from Tiradentes, we could eat acarajé in front of him. That was a really crazy day. and were sit, and the press, where the press sits, we have to open these areas for, try to put all people.
热内卢的皇宫，看起来比较一般一点。以前是葡萄牙总督府。白的路，石头配合白人代表白人，黑人代表黑人。
转弯还是按，反正走路也是这么样，还要管的，4分米。
12 gramas.
Número 109, esquina com a Rua Uruguaiana. River Joias, a melhor avaliação do centro.